What's going on, everybody? It's Andy with Junk Be Gone Junk Removal out of Springfield, Missouri. Here with me today.
Hello.
And we got the shed pulled down yesterday, cut and pulled down. So I come back today to cut it up and throw it on. So that's what we're going to get busy doing. I'm about to give Candy a saw and show her how to use it. And I'm going to go take a nap in the truck. How do you feel about this, Candy?
Not very good.
All right, we're gonna get at it. All right, guys, so we got that cut up and loaded up, and we're about to haul it away. Take selfies.
All right. Andy had to take a phone call. Now we are going to head back to the job where we were at yesterday, where we put everything out on the curb. We're heading back there to pick it up now.